everyone, welcome to my channel Honeybees. Today I am here to share some very good points to raise a happy child. As a parent, we always look forward to raise a child confident, happy, like the child with a good heart, kind heart. So I am sharing few of my learnings which I have learnt, which I have taken from other parents around. So first is the habit of sharing, caring, and giving. I believe, and many of the philosophers also believe, that people who give get more success in life, and it is true. So we should focus on inculcating this habit in our children of sharing, caring, and loving, which is very important. Second is reading, because it is said that today a reader is tomorrow a leader. So we should inculcate the habit of reading in our children, which is very important to make them knowledgeable, to make them understand the world around them. Third is they should be involved in some physical activities, exercising, yoga, meditation. These activities are really important for a child to do. As we have seen, these days even the young children are facing the problem of stress, depression. So when we inculcate this habit in our children, since from their childhood, the chances of stress, depression, or these kind of issues, anxiety issues, becomes lower. So we should focus on these habits. Fourth is appreciation. We should always appreciate our child for the effort. Whether your child has achieved position, rank, or he or she has won the competition or not, वो important नहीं है. But we should always appreciate our child. And we should teach our child to appreciate himself or herself also. Acknowledge करना हमको सिखाना है अपने बच्चे को. अपने हर effort को बच्चा खुद acknowledge करे. This is very important. And we should also acknowledge the effort of our child. Whether the child is doing anything, we should always support our child. उसने अच्छा किया है, नहीं किया है, कभी भी हमें उसे demoralize नहीं करना है. उसको बताने का तरीका different होना चाहिए. Yes, it could be better if you would have done like this. But we should never say, ये तो बेकार है, this is not good. We should not use these words. Try to make them the importance of the work. Don't always suggest them. Don't always give them advices. And never give them suggestions with a fear also, which parents do usually. Like हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं, बेटा आप खाना नहीं खाओगे तो आप बड़े नहीं होगे, आप वीक रह जाओगे, आप पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे तो आपको अच्छी जॉब नहीं मिलेगी, आपको अच्छा वर्क नहीं मिलेगा, आपको कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा. We always suggest them with fears, which we should not do. We always focus on this thing that हमें उनको importance बताना है उसके work की. Like अगर हम बच्चे को बोल रहे हैं कि you should switch off the TV now, the child should understand कि मुझे अब इस time TV क्यों बंद कर देना है. Why is it important to switch off the TV? We should teach the child that this time is for sleeping or this time is for studying. Try to focus on the point wherein we can teach them कि अब ये काम करना क्यों important है, rather than just forcing them to ask कि अब ये करो. We should not speak like this to our children. See, firstly we need to understand they are also human beings, they are also individuals, they have their own personality. We cannot rule our children, which is very important to understand. As a parent, एज अ वर्किंग पेरेंट हमारे अंदर बहुत गिल्ट होता है एंड वी ऑलवेज टेक अ प्रेशर दैट मैं अपने बच्चे को इतना टाइम नहीं दे पा रही हूँ, मैं दे पा रहा हूँ तो मैं बच्चे को कैसे अच्छा करूँ. और हमारा फोकस हमेशा ये होता है कि हमारा बच्चा हर चीज़ में बहुत अच्छा करे, रीडिंग में, डांसिंग में, एक्टिविटीज़ में, एकेडमिक्स. वी ऑलवेज हैव दैट प्रेशर इन आवर माइंड विच वी लाइक हम अपने बच्चे के ऊपर वी जस्ट थ्रो दैट अवे. We should not do this. We should understand his or her world also. He should understand his or her capabilities. Every child cannot be good in everything. We should understand this. We should accept this as a parent. So instead of suggesting them, advising them always, try to understand their point of view also and make them understand the point of view of this thing that ये काम इस टाइम पे करने का इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ये काम इस टाइम पे करने के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है, या ये ऐसे होता तो ऐसे होता. मीन्स उसको बताना है हमको कि अगर हम इस काम को इस तरह से करते तो ये और अच्छा लगता, rather than just saying कि नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं होगा, तुमसे नहीं होगा. We should not speak like this to our child. We should understand this thing. So these are the very very basic points which we should understand, and we should learn that we are not supposed to speak like this with our children. And सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि हमें अपने बच्चों को नो सुनना भी सिखाना है, because we cannot say yes to everything. We should make them learn to listen to no as well. उनकी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करो. उनकी हर एक डिमांड्स को पूरा करना एक पेरेंट के लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट बात होती है लाइफ में. ऑल द पेरेंट्स वर्क टू फुलफिल द नीड्स ऑफ देयर चिल्ड्रन, एंड एज अ वर्किंग मदर आई अंडरस्टैंड बहुत ही बड़ा गिल्ट होता है कि मैं टाइम नहीं दे पा रही हूँ. तो हम लोग क्या फोकस करते हैं, मैं अपने बच्चे को ये ले दूँ जो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में नहीं लिया था, आज मैं अपने बच्चे को वो दे दूँ. वी फोकस ऑन दीज थिंग्स, बट उसके साथ साथ हमें उन्हें नो भी करना सिखाना है, नो एक्सेप्ट करना भी सिखाना है. तो इफ़ दे आर आस्किंग यू फॉर समथिंग, ट्राई टू लाइक फुलफिल देयर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नीड्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग उनकी इंपॉर्टेंट नीड्स को भी फुलफिल नहीं किया जाए, वो तो करना ही है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी नीड्स हैं जिसे हम पोस्टपोन कर सकते हैं, उस टाइम के लिए ना बोल सकते हैं, तो उस पर ना भी बोलना है. बिकॉज दिस इज़ द वे वी कैन मेक देम लर्न दैट no is also a part of our life. We always cannot get yes for everything. Yes, it is important. So we should focus on all these points when we are raising our child. Our child would be more confident if we'll give them decision making powers. Few powers are there which we can inculcate from the birth itself, from the time when they start walking, when they start moving, speaking, doing their things on their own. We can start focusing on these things. Decision making का उनको chance दो, choices दो. When you are selecting clothes for your child, give choice to your child. Choose it, which one you would like to wear. खाने की बात होती है तो भी उनको हमको ये चीज़ की अपॉर्चुनिटी देनी है कि बच्चा खुद चूज़ कर सके. So these are very important habits which we can develop in our children from the beginning. Let them be creative. Let them try new things. Support them. जब क्राफ्ट की बात आती है तो उनको करने दो जो वो करना चाहते हैं. Let them do. Give them big chart papers. आप नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, आप न्यूज़पेपर्स दीजिए, बट let them do. Let them explore. जब हम उन्हें एक्सप्लोर करने देंगे तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि उनकी नॉलेज, उनका एक्सपीरियंस, उनका क्रिएटिविटी, इमेजिनेशन स्किल्स सब कुछ निखर के आएगा. यू शुड फोकस ऑन दिस थिंग ऑल्सो. नेवर स्टॉप देम एंड नेवर आस्क देम टू रिपीट और चीट, कॉपी. नो, लेट देम ब्रिंग आउट देयर ओन क्रिएटिविटी. उन्हें मत बताइए कि बेटा आप ये वीडियो देख के ऐसा बनाइए या वो पिक्चर देख के ऐसा बनाइए. नो, लेट देम मेक द थिंग्स ऑन देयर ओन. दैट विल ब्रिंग आउट क्रिएटिविटी इन देम. So we should focus on this point also, that we need to raise a creative child. Let them try out new things. This is very very important. I hope my learnings would really help the parents to raise a happy child. I felt like sharing. I believe that many parents must be following all those points which I have shared. But thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Honeybees. Thank you. Bye bye.